Deciphering Logjam, more than just logs and water. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, logjam. You might be picturing logs in water, but there's more to it than meets the eye. Stick with us to understand its origins and how to use it in daily English. The term logjam originated from logging industries where logs would sometimes jam or get stuck while floating down a river. This would prevent other logs from moving past, causing a blockage. So, literally, a logjam refers to a situation where logs are jammed or stuck in water. In modern English, logjam is commonly used in a figurative sense. It means a deadlock or an impasse in a process or negotiation. For instance, if you're in a meeting where no decision can be made because people can't agree, you might say, "We're facing a logjam in this discussion." Here's another example. If there's a delay in a legal process because two parties can't come to an agreement, one might say, "The case has hit a logjam." To solidify your understanding, let's look at some example sentences. 1. The traffic logjam lasted for hours due to the accident on the highway. 2. Negotiations between the union and management have reached a logjam. 3. Clearing the logjam of paperwork in the office took longer than expected. So, next time you face a situation where progress is halted or blocked, remember the word logjam. It's a versatile term that can describe both literal and figurative blockages. We hope this explanation clarifies the term for you, and you'll confidently use logjam in your conversations. Keep learning and see you in the next video.